okay, little birdie? Neck seems to be a little contorted while walking around. Maybe flew into a building. They need to turn off the lights at night and not use reflective glass and retrofit them in the cities. Also, give pigeons a helping hand in the winter when it's cold. Be a bird feeder, not a bird eater. Look up factory farm videos where they suffer birth to death, shell to hell, in the egg industry as well. So we're gonna bring this little birdie to the Wild Bird Fund, who helps sick and injured birds and other small animals like opossums. Little baby, I'm sorry, something's wrong. We'll get you the help you need, little baby. Be a bird feeder, not a bird eater. Look up a factory farm video like meat.org or meatvideo.com. Don't support the cruel poultry, chicken, and egg industries. Also, to help all wildlife, humans have doubled in 50 years and killed off 69% of wildlife. Can't say that enough. Humans doubled in 50 years and killed off 69% of wildlife. Free birth control, smaller families, child-free, organic, not to poison the bees, birds, squirrels, butterflies, insects, and ourselves in the water. Organic, not poison. Don't pay for poison. And public transit in cities over suburban sprawl and personal cars, and deforestation with suburban sprawl. But definitely smaller families and free birth control. Organic, vegan. Share if you care. We'll get you to a rescue, little baby. Someone's bringing a box and I'm gonna bring you there. Right, sweetheart? Some just see you as a piece of meat or worthless, but you suffer the same as us. Sea life, not seafood. Watch Seaspiracy on YouTube. Leave you for a minute, little baby. Well, that will probably be his or her only ride on the subway, ever. Some of them live in the subways or nearby. So we're gonna take her to the Wild Bird Fund. Get her some help. Here's some of her beautiful friends. And I forgot to mention, feed them seeds, not bread. It's not good for them. If you are gonna feed them bread, make sure it's whole wheat and has something positive in it. So I named her Dalmatian. And we'll see if she can be fixed up and released. And I'll pick her back up and bring her back to where I found her with her family, hopefully, and reunite her. Adopt, don't shop. And here we go, the Wild Bird Fund. Some strike buildings, others need help in other ways. The Wild Bird Fund. We have our little pigeon that we rescued. And adopt, don't shop, no fur trim coat hoods. Be a bird feeder, not a bird eater. All right, beautiful little pigeon, let's get you some help and make a donation. Maybe I can bring you back to where I found you, after they help you. Okay, little baby, what's going on? Did you hurt yourself? What's wrong with your neck? You need water? I have to find a rescue for you, like a Wild Bird Fund. Can I bring you to a Wild Bird Fund? Be a bird feeder, not a bird eater. And I learned not to switch in the winter. Look up factory farm video, meat.org. Tortured birth to death. We're gonna chill the hell and get insurance on the list. Alright, beautiful baby, let's see what we can do with you. Alright?